This is the 4DRC F8 Pro Max. Finally, a drone that changes the game because it comes with a smart remote controller that has its own built-in screen. No more draining your phone battery. It is equipped with powerful brushless DC motors. These are not just quiet, but they provide incredible wind resistance. You can even take off directly from your hand with total stability. The flight control is super smooth. You can adjust the speed gears right from the remote. Plus, the long-range transmission sends low-latency, high-definition images straight to your controller screen. With GPS precision, you get amazing smart features. Check out the Surround Flight mode. It automatically circles around a subject to capture professional-looking cinematic videos effortlessly. The camera is fully adjustable electronically. And here is the best part, the Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance mode. This laser sensor on top detects trees and walls, stopping the drone instantly to prevent crashes. You can even plan your flight path with waypoints. And when you are done, just press one button for Intelligent Homecoming, and the GPS lands it safely at your feet.